So today we are looking at a Poulan Pro XT. This lawn tractor is clearly an AYP product, American Yard Products. American Yard Products made a lot of lawnmowers, lawn tractors for people like Husqvarna and Craftsman and Poulan Pro. So today we are looking at a model that was manufactured in, looks like 2008, so 3/13 of 08. There's the model number for you. Sorry to say, you people in California can't own this tractor, you know, because everything in California causes cancer. So anyway, here we go, and we got a brand new battery. So the previous owner put a brand new battery in it before it was purchased. Under the hood, again, like you said, is a Briggs and Stratton 19.5 horsepower Intek. And here we are looking at the information regarding the belts and the oil filter. One thing I think is a little bit of a bonus, maybe that's what makes this an XT thing. There's a couple of bells and whistles I want to point out. We are looking at a cast iron front axle. That's a nice touch. I've got the same thing on my Craftsman DLT 3000. Over on this side we have got a cruise control. So it's a hydrostatic transmission. You press your foot down at the speed that you want it to go, and then you pull up that lever and it locks it in place. We've got a backup security feature, so if you want to mow while you're backing, you have to turn the key in that position. So anyway, here we go. The Poulan Pro XT. Nice looking little tractor. This one runs really well. So got oil change, spark plug, air filter, sharpened the blades, greased everything up. Ready to rock and mow. All right, thanks for watching. Have a good day.